Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Passive Passion Online Income, and today's video is going to be a video about a written testimonial from one of my students who has been doing really well with her self-publishing business. The reason it's a written testimonial is because she doesn't want to show her face on camera for personal reasons, and also, I mean, it's mainly because she isn't a person who wants to be on social media, and she actually shuns away from social media in general. And there are lots of such students of mine and also clients of mine who really do not like to come into the limelight and discuss their personal things, especially when it comes to income and money and revenue that they make. So I do respect their decisions, and so should you guys as well. But anyways, let's get into the written testimonial that has been sent in for me, and at the same time, I'll give you, more information about Priya Naidu, who is from United Kingdom. She lives in London, is a widow. She has 3 children, and the rest of the details I'll give you as we go through the course of this testimonial that has been sent for me. So here it goes. Qasim, I wanted to say thank you for all your help in the last 3 years. Because of your coaching and then your course, I have had big success with self-publishing. As you know, I have bought a few courses in the past from previous publishers, but nothing were comparable to your course. Yes, this is true. In the past, before she had approached or contacted me, before 3 years, she had enrolled in several different publishing courses, but just like how it normally happens with most of these course creators or course makers, they just sell you the basic stuff. You have access to the basic stuff in the course, and once you finish those modules, they then try to pitch you into the coaching program, like a weekly or monthly coaching program. And that is what was happening with her. She in fact even had enrolled in the coaching program of one of the course creators. However, she just felt that the course creator or course maker wasn't serious enough. Even when she was discussing the keywords or subjects during the mentorship or coaching call, he used to not give complete attention, and he used to just tell her to go out there and keep churning out those books without even looking into the profitability aspects of that respective keyword. Okay, so yes, I am aware of this. Your course is much more elaborate and goes into details on how to become a successful publisher. Not only has the course been broken down in a logical with step-by-step method to help stay on track, but it also teaches us on how to become a successful entrepreneur. Your passion and dedication is shown throughout the course itself. Thank you for that, Priya. And she continues saying, this year in April, as you remember, Qasim, I said to you that I will not invest in publishing anymore. Yes, which is correct. I remember that. As I wanted to try the dropshipping business. By the way, this written testimonial was sent to me a few months ago. Since I didn't get time to shoot this video, I'm actually shooting it now. So this testimonial was sent to me in November 2021. Okay, so yes, this is related to the last year's discussion which I remember having with her, which was in the month of April. Yeah, so this year in April, as you remember, Qasim, I said to you that I will not invest in publishing anymore as I wanted to try the dropshipping business. Yes, so I had actually warned her and told her not to become a victim of the shiny object syndrome, but still she just wanted to dabble and see things up, because I had given a specific goal to her to reach to a level where she could make more than 10 grand or beyond 10 grand, and ultimately convert her publishing business into a 6-figure business, because that was the ultimate goal which I had for her. So she's still working on that anyways. So but still she felt a bit bored, and she just wanted to try out some other businesses, and she thought of dropshipping business. So here it goes. It started well. So the dropshipping business started well until I realized all my hours were being put into listing product for very little profit. It became like a hamster wheel. The amount of time I put in dropshipping was insane, and I could not see any light at the end of the tunnel. Yes, I remember having a chat with her on this when I was asking her how the experience has been with her dropshipping business, and she was saying that it's not worth it. And it's like I'm just listing lots and lots of physical products like toys, like caps, and it's like it's she felt it was a business of fluke. She did take a dropshipping course though. She had taken a dropshipping course, which was created by someone from the UK as well. However, she tried those strategies, those methods and principles and theories which are just discussed and taught in the course. However, everything turned out to be futile. All right, so yeah, that's the thing. Then she continues saying, publishing on the other hand with your course has created passive income for me, and all I had to do was monitor the advertisements, AMS ads, and money was coming in every single month. I then realized how self-publishing is the way forward if you want to make passive income and get your ROI back in about 12 to 18 months. It is such an easy way to make passive income, and I haven't found any other way yet. Yeah, in regards to ROI, I often receive these questions by people asking that, is it true that I can make my ROI back in 12 to 18 months? Now see guys, it depends. For majority of my students and clients, they make their ROI back in a span of 12 to 18 months. For some, it has taken 2 years of time. For some, it also has taken 3 years of time. But remember, these are also people who have stopped in between. You see, publishing is a business where you can lose your momentum, you can lose your traction if you're not putting out good number of books, in a certain period of time. It's a business. Just imagine you are launching a soap product, okay, soap cakes in the market, and after 6 months you just decide it's fine, I'm just going to relax and rest and just enjoy whatever revenue or business that my soaps are generating or bringing in. And probably after 6 months there's going to be some other new competitor out in the market who's going to be putting his or her products out there and kicking you out of the competition or kicking you out of the market. So it's the same thing with publishing too. You always have to be on your toes. You always have to be 2 steps ahead of the game and keep coming up with better version, with better books, which are going to be much better than your previous or older publications. All right, it's with any business. So she realized that, and that's the reason she's saying that, I just realized that this is the best way of passive income. Create, set it, run ads, and money keeps coming in. Everything you said to me was true, Qasim. You know the self-publishing business inside out, and I cannot thank you enough for all your help, support, and attention to details, and for being such a genuine person. I'm so excited to work with you again for my next batch of books. Priya Naidu, London, UK. Yes, so she has decided to continue producing more new books for her business, and I have immense respect and admiration for her as a person, because in spite of going through lots of challenges in life, in spite of being a single mom, raising three children, and this happened after she lost her husband. I've got immense respect for this woman, and I also remember there was a time when she was struggling to arrange funds. She had to even go to banks and take a loan, which she could invest into this business. Now, yes, if it was someone else, they would always, be petrified of starting something new, especially if it's a new venture, and she had never started or run any other business previously. So it was a big risk which she had taken, but I would actually label it as a calculated risk, because she had me with her on her side. I was there to guide her. I was there to help her with the budgeting. I was there to tell her, what sort of books she should focus on, and so on. Okay, so that's Priya Naidu, guys, from UK. And similarly, if you guys also want to get started and make good money, do get started with Kindle Income Academy. Not only do you get access to the course, but you also get coaching from my faculty members. Okay, now I do not personally coach anymore. However, you will still be having a couple of sessions with me, okay, where I will be sitting down with you and we'll be testing your keywords, we'll be approving them, and also you'll be having one session for the AMS ads, where I will teach you the proper strategies on which you can implement for your self-publishing business and make sure that your profit conversion rates are higher. All right, so that's it, guys, and I hope you have seen my previous video before this, which was my December income report, where we're close to 50 grand. All right, and if you have missed it, do definitely go and watch it out. I have put it in, you are going to see it at the end of the video, and also I'll put it somewhere on the top where you'll be able to see that label. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will be coming with more videos in the coming weeks. Till then, you guys take care. God bless.